Inisahid ko yung right foot, sasabay ka. Pag inangat ko yung right, tanong kung sasakay ka. Ibalipad, sobrang fly, di na ako maasinta ako. Okay, get low, tapos tutok mo mata mo sa'kin. Wag let go, hanggat hindi ko pa sinasabi from the get go. Alam ko lahat kung mangyayari.
Stop, baby, what you gon' do? Tell me what you gon' do. Oh, baby, what you gon' tell me what you gon' do. That's the thing that we respect.
Kalma, baby kalma. Isang ngiti pa sa akin lalapitan talaga kita. Baby girl, just do what you wanna, take what you wanna. Sige, alagin na. Do what you wanna, work what you wanna. Isang ngiti pa sa akin lalapitan talaga kita.
No flowers, puro tata-tata-tata. Di mo makikita na laging talig ito. No flowers, puro tata-tata. Sa akin nakapagula, cause I'm feeling galok ka na nga, tsaka magaling. At mag-ikaw lang yung dumating. Pinanis ko lang kasama mo yung mga lane. Show respect when you talking medicine na name. Kita mo yung tulala ka sa may swag.
Baby para ang tangan,
Tumikit ka sa may swag.
huwag ka dyan sa mga lane. Yeah. Yeah.
Nakita jeep na makulit, talaga lahat nga'y pinanis. Taga London na puro bestong Gucci. Paano ba naman malakas doon? No doubt, she ballin', she blown out, she rollin'. Oh, shilling, bro, shittin'. Oh, shilling, bro, shittin'.
Ang galing.
Grabe, nakita mo yung posing nila sa dulo? Oo nga.
Gagawin mo yan mamaya. Gagawin mo. Inunahan na kita. Eto, batiin mo natin ang ating mga kapatid. Good morning, mga kapatid! Hello! May 17, gempya si Silen sa wikang Subanen. Mga kapatid, biyernes na ako para sa lahat ng may trabaho at pasok pa. Naku, konting push na lang, weekend na kayo. Itodo na, mga dapat itodo, di ba, Dibs?
Yes na yes, John, Jess. Parang energy ng mga batang maagang nagpasiklab sa atin ngayon pong umaga. Very party mode na ang vibes sa kanilang nakamamanghang paghataw. Yes, that is so right, Mama Dibs. Ganyan talaga ang feels kapag may mga loading talent tayong nabibigyan pa ng spotlight dito sa ating programa. Kaya naman, palakpakan pa natin ang ating mga bisita this morning!
Good morning! Nako, deserve ang applause na yan. Lalo na yung mga batang, yung ibang mga bata dito ba mula sa simpleng dance studio, lumalaban din sa iba't ibang competition. Grabe.
Talaga namang nakakabilib, no? Kitang-kita natin sa opening nila kanina. Talent, check. Angas, check. At
Ayan, o.
nag-umapaw na confidence, super check. So napakabatang edad, napakamurang edad. Mas kilalanin natin ang ating mga bata mula sa East Side Dance Studio. Kasama si Alina Bonifacio, Chelsea Patawaran at ang kanilang coach na si Ana Avena. Good morning!
Good morning! Good morning!
Hi! Good morning! Good morning!
Okay, kwentuhan nyo naman kami about your dance studio.
Yes. Hello, good morning po. Eastside Dance Studio, nag-start po kami ng 2017.
Wow.
And right now, we offer classes hanggang as young as 3 years old po. So itong mga kids po na to, nag-start sila bata pa. Yung iba, mga 7 years old.
Right.
Start na, and they've been dancing mga 3 years, 4 years, until they reach na pwede na sila mag-coach.
Sinong pinakabata sa inyo dito ngayon? I'm assuming ikaw. What's your name? Saka ilang taon ka na?
My name is Maylin.
How young are you?
I just turned 11.
Alam mo, you know what, Maylin? I used to talk like you as well. Until I became friends with him. But you know, Maylin, I'm so impressed because you're so young. Is it your dream to dance on stage?
Yes.
Okay.
How long
have you been dancing?
I've been dancing on Eastside Dance.
Nice.
Oo nga.
3, mali
I have
naman
a
yung
question. Kasi di ba we have different categories ng kids. So yung tinuturo nyo ba sa mga 3-year-olds and maybe 5-year-olds, same dance steps sa mga mas matatanda ng kaunti?
Naka-categorize po kami by age. So, naka-group yung mga 3 to 6, and then the 7 to 12. Although, if we see the potential in them, minsan yung mga 6 years old or 9-year-old, kasama na sila sa mga adults sa advanced classes.
Do you take for social media as well? Kasi diba, I noticed a lot of dance studios now, they showcase the work of the children. Is that part of the curriculum?
Meron din naman po. We post some of the dances of our students.
Right.
To showcase their talent.
Coach, ako na-intriga lang ako kasi ang ganda ng inyong ng inyong coach.
Yeah!
Dahil lumalaban pa kayo.
Super love!
Yes po.
Wait, best in costume for what competition? World of Dance! Ano bang inspiration dyan sa costume nyo?
The theme po kasi of their dance is Pinoy. Or proud to be Pinoy. So all of the songs, lahat ng songs kanina, puro Tagalog po talaga.
Kaya...
Saan yun? Sa ibang
World
bansa?
of Dance, dito po sa Philippines.
Dito sa Philippines. Okay.
Okay, I have a question for the girls. Girls, kayo, like, what is it about dancing? Like, what does it make you feel when you're on stage? Can you tell us more about it?
When I dance, I feel confident and like I get to showcase how I am as a person. And dancing with the people in my team, which I consider family, is what matters the most to me.
Oh, how nice. How about you? How does it make you feel when you dance?
For me po, personally, since I'm an extroverted person, I like to show it when I dance. So parang when I perform po, there's adrenaline with me. So parang it's like in an F1 car, parang you're... So that's for me naman when I dance. Kapag sinabi nila, oh, we're gonna perform, doing na...
Nag-rev up ka na.
Like for example, nung World of Dance, I'm so nervous because it was my first competition in a mainstream compet. So nung una I was so nervous, but then when I stepped on stage, I was like, yeah!
I love it! Yes, can I just tell you, I think I like what I'm seeing in terms of culture. Kasi maraming mga bata ngayon na extroverted sila but they don't know where to put their energy.
Tama.
So sa mga kapatid po natin nanonood, it would be nice to find a dance studio like Eastside, no? To make sure na yung energy ng ating mga bata, lalong na ngayong summer, ay may mapupuntahan na maganda.
Kumbaga outlet siya.
Yes.
Energy and creativity.
Yes, kasi
individual also yung yung individual.
Look how self-aware she is. She is an extrovert. She is able to communicate kung ano yung nararamdaman niya. At importanteng trait yan, not only for dance and performance, but life skills. Na you are able to say how you feel. Magsayaw ka na para sabi.
Maganda ka rin napapansin ko sa kanila, masuming marami sa kanila, hindi naman talaga magkakakilala nung nagsimula kayo sa dance studio. At naging suporta kayo ng isa't isa by being partners, no?
Because we come from different schools po. So, all of us, we just came to know each other po in the varsity po mismo. So, yun nga po, kahit different po yung ages namin, we still find the time na we bond together po.
And you share something in common. Are you an all-girl group? Or you have boys also?
Right now, all girls po sila.
Okay.
Right
But are you
now.
okay?
We're also accepting po ng mga boys.
Okay, you're
Great,
open.
Jess. Perfect.
Ayun, pwede.
Perfect.
Pwede na po.
Pero medyo may edad na po eh. Okay lang po, pwede.
Adult division.
May senior citizen division
Senior
po ba
citizen
kayo?
siguro, oo.
Oo. Eto na, magpapaturo na tayo. Is Maylin going to teach us?
Who wants to
Maylin, are you
teach
gonna-
us?
Aki Alina.
I will teach you.
Okay, game.
So,
I'll hold the mic. I'll hold the mic. I'll go. I'll hold the mic. Ako na.
Sige na natin yung mic niya.
Sige na. Okay na.
So, our segment po that we're going to teach po is the Lagabog segment. Yes.
Alam mo, umiwas ka, baka tamaan.
So-
Tawag pa lang.
It's called, yung
Lalayo
Kalma
tayo.
dance po namin. So,
Kalma.
nakita niyo po.
Very kalma.
So, our first step po.
Alam na alam ni
so,
Tintin
we're gonna
yan.
go down.
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 Ay, down.
Kailangan
Nakadress
lang
ako.
po. We're
Ganun
gonna
lang
go
tayo, Ruth.
kalma. So, we're gonna go kalma. Like wave
Kalma.
first. Yeah, wave first. So,
Okay.
we go wave. And then after that, when they say kalma po, we go tug, tug. So, it goes kalma.
Kalma.
Una sa...
Yeah, yes.
Oh, yung damit mo, ibabalik mo pa yan.
Saka ba, ngayon ko pa talaga naisipan magmasikip na pantalon. Ano?
Baka mabutas pa yan, babayaran mo
Alright,
yan.
so we go po kalma. Ta, 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 ta. And then after that, we clap.
Grabe mo
And then we go kalma.
Oh, naguluhan na si Jester.
Doon na lang tayo ha. Stick tayo dito.
Medyo mahirap po yung step namin na, kasi po our original step, we go like this po.
Wag na tayo doon.
Wag.
So, instead we'll simplify it po, we will do it like this.
Okay, okay.
Dito lang tayo.
Pwede ba? Justin, take one for the team. Ikaw na lang.
Ikaw na, Justin. Ikaw na, Justin.
So, let's recap po. So, kalma.
Kalma.
Ta, 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 ta. Baby. So, baby. Kalma. Ma.
Okay, music tayo.
Okay, let's do it. Nakama
Yes.
dyan.
Kaya nyo na yan, guys.
Ayun na yun. Ayun na yun. Ang bilis na.
Mabilis lang pala siya. Okay, ganun pala yun. Konti yung intro, konti yung intro.
Ayun na.
Pinapaniwala lang siya.
Alam mo, Jess, the fact na lagi nakapokus sa yung camera pag sumasayaw, mag-practice ka naman.
Or magpakapi ka kay Direk. Try
Ayan,
mo.
yun na lang, oh.
Para nakapokus sa iba.
Direct, mag-usap tayo mamaya.
Okay, Alina, thank you so much.
Ate Alina,
Maylin,
thank you
everybody.
so much.
Teach, baka you want to promote your dance studio para marami pang maka-join sa inyo?
Yes po. We would like to invite po the kids. We have an upcoming summer dance workshop po. It will start tomorrow, May 18th. That's for the batch 1. And then batch 2 po ng June 22. We have ballet, hip-hop, K-pop, and gymnastics po. For as young as 3 years old and the teens, pwede po kayo mag-enroll para maging kasing galing po kayo ng mga kids namin dito. Lahat po sila nag-start as beginners. So, hanggat sa gumaling na lang sila at gumaling with their passion and dedication in dance. So, kayang-kaya rin po yan ng mga anak nyo. So, yun po. Enroll na po kayo. Eastside Dance Studio.
Maraming salamat sa Dance Kids ng Eastside Dance Studio, mga kapatid. Mga kapatid, Dimples Romana po, kumpletuhin ang inyong umaga ng mga kwentong puno ng inspirasyon. Salubungin po ang bawat araw ng may ngiti at pag-asa. Kaya't mag-subscribe na po at mag-follow na sa aming social media pages ng News 5.